Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Sakshi. I make fashion, dance, makeup and lifestyle videos. So stay tuned and please subscribe. Talking about today's video, it's a night skincare video. This is what I'm left with. So yeah, let's get started. So I'm going to show you a real quick night care routine. Even if you're doing this much of makeup or you're doing just a BB or CC cream, like you're just putting a bit of it and a kajal, you need to remove it. Guys, the mistake what we do is, or I used to do is that बस काजल लगा के मैं ऑफिस जाती थी या just lipstick and काजल लगाया है, थोड़ा सा कोई क्रीम लगाया है. I used to not wash my face also like in the night. मतलब स्किन केयर तो भूल ही जाओ, रात में मैं अपना चेहरा भी धो के नहीं सोती थी, ऐसे आई यूज्ड टू जस्ट स्लीप. शाम में अगर हुआ तो ठीक है. That really affected badly onto my skin. It's really important because पूरे दिन का जो pollution होता है, जो dirt होता है, वो सब skin में रहता है. And night is the time when skin अपना rejuvenate होती है या repair होती है. So that is why you have to really clean your face before sleeping. It's really necessary. So starting with the very first step, it's going to be removing my makeup. So as you can see, I have a lot of eye makeup going on here, and a lot of it is waterproof. So I have to clean it before washing my face. So there are two options. So the first one is using micellar water. There's also a oil-based micellar water coming in the market, but I really don't like using micellar water because if I'm out or somewhere, it's fine. I use it. Of course, there's no option. But if I'm home, so I basically use coconut oil. So that's what I'm gonna do today because let's keep it real. So this is what I do, and I see a lot of people doing, and this works for me best. I feel it moisturizes my skin at the same time, so that is why I do it. See for your skin what works for you, what does not, and then accordingly select. So let's. So as I've told you, I've taken a cotton pad and look at it, like how easily it's coming out. This is what all came like in a few drops of oil. Now I'm going to do the same with my eyes. I'm going to flip over the same cotton pad. Look at it, all of it is out. In case you don't want to use micellar water, use coconut oil. Moving on to the second step, it's going to be washing my face, and I'm going to use the simple Himalaya Purifying Face Wash. You can use any face wash you have like at your home. So yeah, I'll be right back. So I'm back. So moving on to the third step, which is toner. I'm using Jeva company ka rose water toner. It's a pure rose water toner, and why toner is important is because it provides a layer for the moisturizer to seep into. अगर आप टोनर नहीं यूज करना चाहते तो नहीं करिए, मतलब ऐसा कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है, बट मॉइस्चराइज करना इज द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट स्टेप. सो अगर आपने फेस वॉश किया और आपके पास टोनर नहीं है और आप यूज भी नहीं करना चाहते तो आप डायरेक्टली फोर्थ स्टेप पे आ सकते हैं. मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट थिंग विच इज गोइंग टू बी आई क्रीम. So talking about the eye cream, this is a budget buy. If you're thinking that eye cream कौन लगाता है, कितनी महंगी आती है, I used to think the same, but this company which is called Blossom Couture's Aroma Magic, इसका जो अंडर आई जेल है, this is the most pocket friendly, or you can say cheapest eye cream I found, and it works for me. Like, that's cool, right? It's got cucumber, it's got green tea, and it refreshes my under eyes because जब वो ड्राई डाउन होती है तो बहुत ठंडा फील कराती है आपके अंडर आईज पे या जहाँ भी आप उसको अप्लाई करते हैं. तो मैं पहले अंडर आई क्रीम नहीं यूज करती थी, बट रीजन व्हाई आई एम यूजिंग इट राइट नाउ is that now I have started putting a lot of extra products on my eyes because I make a lot of makeup videos. So I think that it's really important कि आई के आसपास भी एरिया को मॉइस्चराइज या एक स्पेसिफिक जो क्रीम है वो लगाई जाए, सो दैट वो ज्यादा मॉइस्चराइज रहे, क्योंकि स्किन बहुत सेंसिटिव होती है. अंडर आई क्रीम लगाने से डार्क सर्कल्स नहीं कम होते हैं, इट जस्ट रिलैक्सेस योर स्किन एंड इट मॉइस्चराइजेस रियली वेल. सो दैट इज व्हाई दैट्स द यूज ऑफ अंडर आई क्रीम. So in case you put a lot of like eye makeup, और maybe आपकी आंखें बहुत tired रहती है, या फिर आपको refresh करना चाहिए आपको, या थोड़ा ब्राइटन करना है, नॉट लाइट बट ब्राइट करना है, नॉट, तो आप अंडर आई क्रीम्स यूज करिए, ये या कोई सी भी. दैट्स व्हाट इज द यूज ऑफ अंडर आई क्रीम्स. That's a lot of fun. I'm going to use this Pond's company का Super Light Gel. I've recently purchased it and ये water gel based है, and उसकी वजह से ये स्किन में इतना जल्दी absorb होता है. अगर आपका स्किन टाइप ड्राई है तो ट्रस्ट मी गाइस, यू गोना लव इट. एंड अगर आपको ज़्यादा चिप नहीं फील करना है अपने चेहरे पे, और जो मॉइस्चर है वो बहुत टाइम के लिए रखना है, मतलब हाइड्रेटेड रखना है स्किन को बहुत टाइम के लिए, बिकॉज ये वाला जो मॉइस्चराइजर दिस स्टेज फॉर आई थिंक 6 to 8 hours. That's what I have seen. The next thing which is going to be our lips. I'm going to use this Bond Lippy from Body Shop. It tastes so good, you guys. I mean, yes, so I just use it, like mainly I use it in the night. So I would want to recommend a really good lip balm for you guys, because अगर आपको इतना invest नहीं करना है किसी lip balm में, so there's a really good lip balm from the company called Vadi Herbals. I'll link it down below. The lip balm's got a lot of oils, a shea butter, and a lot of extracts from different things. The lip balms from Vadi Herbals are amazing. It comes in like 4 to 5 flavors: blueberry, orange, raspberry, strawberry, and lychee. So whatever fruit you like, you can literally go and search and get it from it, and it's really pocket friendly. Basically चेहरा कंप्लीट हो चुका है 6 स्टेप में. 7th स्टेप होगी जो हमारे हाथों के लिए होगी या पैर के लिए, आप जैसे भी बोलना चाहे वैसे होगी. So I am going to use a good body lotion over my hands and my elbows and my knuckles. So that's what I'm going to do. So ये जो particular moisturizer है, ये it's called Hydra Rich. It's from some pharma company called Veritas, and I am really loving it. So basically it came as a sample to my dad, but this is the first moisturizer, you guys, I feel is super amazing. Like I am in love with this moisturizer and I can't stop putting it. It leaves my hand so supple and soft. So I'm not recommending this one, but if your doctor suggests this to you, don't be afraid, just go and buy it. So if you're really moisturizing your hands with a good moisturizer, you really don't need it. For me, it's like interchangeable. Of course, I don't put my hand cream till here. I just put on my palms and uske piche. But right now, since I've put my moisturizer, तो अभी मैं hand cream नहीं लगाऊंगी. Moving on to the next thing, which is going to be a nail and cuticle oil, which it is again from the company Vadi Herbals, and I really like it because it's again pocket friendly and it's effective. So basically, I'm going to put it on my nails. Many of you who know me personally, you know that I used to eat my nails. I was a nail eater, and now I've came up to this particular length of my nails. So it is all because I take care of my nails a lot, and I take a bit of supplements for it. I take care of them every night because I really want to grow them, and I really want to come out of that habit of eating nails. So yes, these things are really helping me. So all you need to do is just massage the oil into your nails. That's it. When you're sleeping on what I do is, when I lie down on my bed, then I do this particular step. जब तक नींद नहीं आती तब तक I just try and rub this, so it seeps into my nails, and yeah, I'm done.
Like 7, 8 and 9. I think we completed our 10th step.
We just finished doing a night skincare routine, and I think अगर इसमें से आप 5 स्टेप भी करते हैं जो आपको नेसेसरी लगती है, so I think your skin is going to be amazing and you're going to love it because results दिखते हैं. Trust me, do it for like 7 days or 10 days, then see the results. अगर आपको नहीं दिखता है, then stop it. Like okay, but I'm sure आपको results दिखेगा, and then you will come back and tell me. So please, if you don't have any night skincare routine, please make one because it's really necessary for your skin to take care of it and to be really like glowing as always. So yeah, that's all about it for today's video. And you know, right, अगर video अच्छा लगा हो तो give me a thumbs up, नहीं तो give me a thumbs down, and please like and share my video. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Yeah, that's all about it. I'll see you very soon. Until then, keep smiling. Bye bye.